Reach high, aim high, and obtain. Welcome to the TaylorIt world. This happens to be one of our trips that we take on a routine basis together as a family that provides us with the opportunity to catch up with each other, as well as get our errands in regards to grocery shopping, as well as other errands that we need to do done. And you can see right here, this is us actually pulling into the farm that we go to on a routine basis in order to get our dairy, such as the fabulous cream that I'm sure you've seen for my yogurt making, such as Alruta rye yogurt, and others, making sour cream, making buttermilk, German chocolate cake, and other items. Basically anything involving dairy I pretty much get from this particular farm directly. Now, they do also sell their products at other stores and locations, such as the local community's Shiloh store within the Amish community. They also sell some of their products at Whole Foods and other stores. And you can see there, it even shows that they sell ice cream. My dad's favorite of theirs happens to be the chocolate ice cream. They do have different size containers. They have little kind of single 1 scoop size containers that you can get. A lot of people, when they come to get their dairy, they'll actually swing by and also always get like a little container of like the 1 scoop ice creams. They have a ton of different flavors: butter pecan, vanilla bean, the chocolate, as I mentioned, blackberry, and more. Just basically pick the ice cream that fits how you're feeling or wanting that day and enjoy. Now, as you increase in the size of the ice cream, the costs actually reduce. They do have a 5-gallon container that you can buy, but they don't typically keep it in the store area. For that, you'll actually have to make a special request. If we know timing wise that there isn't enough time for me to make ice cream when we have a lot of family and friends visiting, we will actually go there and get the 5-gallon ice cream container, and it really provides us an opportunity to get really quality items for our family and friends and address the time constraints that may be in place when everybody may want ice cream. Now, another thing that I do want to mention, anybody that is kosher in regards to their food choices and preferences, they will want to avoid their yogurt, because their yogurt is actually made with pork gelatin. So if you're adhering to a kosher diet, you will want to be just a little bit aware of that fact. Although we did do shopping inside the farm store, I respectfully asked if I could film inside, and they asked me to please not. So out of respect for them, I did not film inside of the farmhouse's store. I would have loved to, but out of respect for them, I did not. Now, what you will see is we're actually coming up on the local community's what's called the Shiloh store. And it's the Shiloh General Store. It used to be a lot smaller than what it is now, as a few years back they actually shut down for quite some time and actually expanded the store to what it is today, and it's gotten quite large from what it used to be. And even though there's no actual parking spot, it's gravel paved, somehow everybody magically knows where to park and it works out, even though it's a little bit kind of crazy at times with everybody trying to find the perfect spot and trying to also get just strategically placed. Somehow it magically works out. Now, it is a blend of both modern farming and traditional farming, and you will see the difference as you drive around the community. You can even see old farm buildings, or that old house right there that you can see, that are not used now, but it still is a testament to the history of the area. On this particular day, you can see the Amish women in their traditional garments across from the Shiloh General Store. There's also instances where you will see children on bicycles that are Amish You'll also see horse-drawn carriages that are so beautiful, and you can see how youthful and playful and loved that their horses are simply by how they prance as they pull the carriage. Is beautiful to watch. Sadly, I didn't get it this particular day, but I was able to get some film for you in regards to the horses that are actually out in the fields relaxing and enjoying the grass. And that's just throughout the area as well. You'll just drive by and see fields that have the horses and the cows and the different farm animals enjoying themselves.